Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super quick, and when I mean quick, like probably the quickest video you'll ever watch on my channel, but a really quick and easy beach waves hair tutorial. This is actually the results that you will get from what I do in the video, and I just want to show you how I achieve really pretty beachy wave type of hair. This is for natural hair, natural wavy hair, wavy curly hair, and this is what I use to have really pretty low maintenance beach waves. So keep on watching. Off camera, I washed my hair with the Not Your Mother's Triple Threat Brunette Blue Treatment shampoo, and after that I followed it up with the Blue Treatment conditioner. After I got out of the shower, I went ahead and I used my Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat hair mask as a leave-in conditioner. The first styling product that I use is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Sea Salt Spray. This is going to help add texture to your hair, whether you have wavy hair like me or even straight hair. And I'm just making sure that I'm working it all in to make sure that all my hair is evenly coated. The second and last styling product I use is the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector. This is going to help define the waves and curls, keep your hair smooth, and fight frizz. And you just really want to make sure that you work it in evenly, just like the last product. And now we wait to air dry. This is the final result of the super easy and quick beach waves. This look is perfect for summertime and it is super low maintenance. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.